Hello everyone. I showed you already, and uh, for different reasons, how I use Artistly 5. Okay, that's an amazing platform that you can create any kind of design. You can create fast AI image designer, or you can use the advanced AI image designer. That it leverage AI and creates amazing images, and you can create banners or anything you want. You can even create flip books, okay, automatically without with just a prompt. Let me show you something very important that you can create using Artistly 5. I just uploaded a video to YouTube. Okay, I got my video over here, and I just grabbed the link of the video. It's about freak hosting. I just go to Artistly 5, and I'm gonna click Fast AI Image Designer. I can create a new uh, image to add to as a thumbnail for my video, but I can even go to AI design agents over here, click YouTube thumbnails, click video to thumbnail, and just paste here my my video link. You see that it's gonna grab the one of the images, one of the parts of the video, and it's gonna bring it over here. I'm gonna say, please create me, let's say, 4 thumbnails, and add it to YouTube Thumbs, and click Generate Thumbnails. Okay, you see, I didn't write any prompt. I didn't write anything. I just ask Artistly AI to create for me 4 different thumbs. Okay, I'm gonna choose one of them and add it straight to my video, so that I'm gonna save time on that way, not creating another image, because you can even use Canvas, or you can use Artistly to create any kind of image and create it on the style that you want. But this function, it's a really clever function, and it gives you the opportunity to create any kind of thumbnails. Okay, sometimes it's not realizing, because you see here I created some of my banners, and sometimes if it fails to get the idea, I can just drop it again here and try once again. Let me see. Uh, yeah, I'm gonna ask for 4 thumbnails. Let's see the result once again. Okay, this time it looks like it's working normally. It's gonna create really 4 thumbnails, and yeah, they look really great. Okay, here I had a cowboy. Maybe that was a mistake from the program, but with a second try, I guess that we have something really interesting. You see, what the fuck is freaking hosting? I guess that's really great. This lady is really great, but let's try this one. Okay, this one, it looks really nice. I can just straight from here download the image, and I'm gonna just upload this image straight to my video over here. You see, I'm gonna just upload here and add this one. It looks really interesting, and this image is gonna be my video thumbnail. I believe you understand the idea. It's so simple to create very interesting banners or thumbnails for your videos. And you see, even this one, Unleash Potential Hosting, it's really interesting too, okay? But even the lady inside the data center, she looks really interesting and she looks great. You see here, I even get the prompt that it was used to create this image over here. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you really enjoy Artistly and you want to find out more, you can click the link to my description or to the comments and find out more about this amazing program. It's a one-time payment, and trust me, it's gonna give you so many options and tools that you're gonna love it and use it daily. Um, Subscribe to my channel and like the video, and I'll be back for the next one with a new special tool. Thank you very much. Bye bye.